What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be going over one of the best ways to just kind of make passive income in a sense throughout 2022. It's super easy to set up, it's free to set up, and the income is not bad, especially if you actually try, right? So this is kind of one thing that I just kind of did on the side and it's still decent money too, in a sense. So basically, about 4 or 5 months ago, I made a couple of courses. My main site is actually kind of have my own website where you can actually get all of those in a sense. And the nice thing is, all it is you literally just put time up front, and it's no like money investment at all. You can film it with the camera, right? If you have that, or you can film it with an iPhone. So I basically did that, put those on my own website, so those sell on there. Then I'm like, okay, what other teaching websites are there, right? So you can literally go into Google, right? Teaching sites to post your course, right? So a couple ones that they have, right? Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, all of that. So Teachable is a little bit, you need more marketing, but for Skillshare and Udemy, you don't really do any marketing. They kind of do the marketing for you, which again is super nice in my opinion. So, right, going back here, right, we can basically see, okay, I have these three right here. This one not finished, not even close, right? I really need to finish it. So I'm actually going to do it tomorrow because, again, I've already filmed all the videos. I've already done all the content just for my own website. So here, so then all I did is literally copy and paste, and it takes about an hour per thing to do. So copy and paste, copy, paste, copy and paste. So an hour, so 3 hours right here. And then obviously if I were to do Skillshare, again, that'd be another 3 hours. So those are the three things I offer. And so if we go here, right, to performance, we can see that it's basically made me 60 bucks. Here's the thing. I basically in 3 hours, so that's right now $20 an hour. But here's the thing. Every single time I get another sale, it just keeps extending, right? So we can then basically go from, okay, 60, right? And then we could maybe up it, right? And then it can get to that point where it's $100 a day from that original 3 hours that all it did was for me to upload it here. Now, the difference is I already plan on uploading it just to my website, not just on here. But right now, right, basically getting to that point of $100 a day, not too bad, literally just for being able to upload it in 3 hours, right? And this is all the same exact course. This is a credit living one. So all of that, right? So all credit living, I don't want to really, yeah, all the credit living ones. As you can see, December was a pretty good month, student-wise at least. But yeah, so I can really see all of that. And again, it's not bad. Is it amazing income? Obviously not. But again, for 3 hours, it's something I really don't ever have to touch again. In an extent, I think it's pretty good, and something, again, if you have time on your hands right now, I would say the entire process to do all three courses, write it out, all of that, I would say it did take me about 2 months. I would say easily a couple 100 hours to do all of that, but again, that was just because one, I was doing three courses and on my website, and I also, it's good money. It's not bad, but again, try it out. If you want, you can do Udemy, Skillshare, have your own website as well. And yeah, you can utilize everything. And then if you actually try to push it through Udemy, you can. I really wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend just putting it on Udemy and Skillshare, and then having your own website and pushing it on there, or just using Teachable and pushing it on Teachable. So that way you can make money through that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this gives you some more ways to make money in 2022. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.